In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know and understand before you go ahead and use the Breakout prop firm. Now, in case you don't know, I recently made some videos about Breakout prop firm. I made videos on how to use it, how to get funded, and I talked about all the important truths you need to know about Breakout prop firm. And after I made those videos, I've gotten a lot of questions about the Breakout prop firm. And in this video, I want to answer all of your questions so that you can know the important things before you go ahead and buy any prop firm account on Breakout. So with that being said, let's go straight to the point. And by the way, in this video, I'll be doing a giveaway where I'll be giving out two 25k accounts and another two 50k accounts in this video. So that's 4 different accounts to 4 different winners as giveaway. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, the very first question I want to answer in this video is that, is Breakout prop firm legit? Now, before I go ahead and answer that question, let me show you something. Now, you can see right here, this is the home page of the Breakout prop firm website. If you scroll down to where you have Kraken plus Breakout, just come here and click on Learn More. So I'll click on that. And right here on the screen, you can see it says Breakout has been acquired by Kraken, which is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. So basically, from that sentence, this is a prop firm that is backed or that is owned by Kraken. And Kraken is one of the top exchanges in the crypto space. That's right here, it says crypto prop firm trading backed by Kraken. So it is not just a random prop firm from anywhere. It is a big prop firm that has been acquired by a big crypto exchange out there. So clearly it is a legit prop firm, and that is one of the reasons why I've been talking about it on my YouTube channel. I've checked out different prop firms. Anyone I find kind of risky or kind of not legit, in my opinion, I don't even talk about it on my YouTube channel. So that's the first question some of you have been asking me, which I want to answer in this video. Now, the second question I want to answer is about the rules. Now, remember, I made a video talking about the trading rules on Breakout prop firm, but some of you asked me about consistency rules. Now, let's come here to the home page and then scroll to where you have trader friendly rules. Now you can clearly see here that it says trade freely without worrying about consistency rules, profit caps, or limitations on your trading style. So you can clearly see right there that it says you don't need to worry about consistency rules, and that is because they don't have any consistency rule on Breakout prop firm, which is very, very good. Now, in case you don't know what consistency rule is all about, now consistency rules means that the prop firm will give you a limit to the maximum amount of money you can make depending on the account size that you get. And for Breakout prop firm, there's nothing like that. So you can make as high as you want from any trade, and you can withdraw any amount that you want as long as you've made that money from the prop firm. It's as simple as that. So you can see right there, there's nothing like consistency rules, there's nothing like profit cap, there's nothing like limitations to your trading style. You can trade as you want and make as much money as you want. And I understand the reason why some of you are asking this question, and that's because there are so many prop firms out there that have consistency rules. And for me, any prop firm that has consistency rules, to be very honest, I don't really like it, because I've used a prop firm that had consistency rule before, and to be very honest, I did not like it. So please avoid any prop firm with consistency rules. For Breakout, they don't have any consistency rule. Now, the next question is, what are the rules you need to know before you go ahead and get a Breakout evaluation account? Now, let me show you. Now, once you get your account, I'll show you the different accounts you can get, by the way. Now, once you get your account, this is the dashboard you'll be seeing with the account. And if you come here to where you have goals overview, this is where you see the rules. Now, they don't have more than 2 rules, just 2 rules you need to understand. Now, the first rule is this: your maximum drawdown. Now, maximum drawdown means that your account must not go down to this equity limit. So for me that has this 100k account, my account balance must not go as low as $95,000. Once it goes below that, I lose this account. That's the meaning. So that's the first rule you must take note of. Now, the second rule is this maximum daily loss. Now, for this maximum daily loss, what it basically means is that you must not lose more than 30% of your account in one day. And that 30% is calculated from the balance of the previous day. So you can see right here, my prior day balance, that is my balance as of yesterday, was 98,200. The reason why I have 100,000 right now is because I traded and I made some profit. I think I made about $2,000 or so, and that is why I have about $100,165 now. Now, my prior day balance was 98,200, and that means that I must not lose $3,000 today. And that means that if I lose $3,000 today, my account will go down to 95,258. And if that happens, I'm going to be losing this account. So that's the meaning of this maximum daily loss. So they take 30% of your previous day balance, and that means that if you lose 30% of your previous day balance, that means that you lose the account. So if I lose 3% of this 98K, that means that my balance will go down to 95,258. And if that happens for today, which is in the next 14 hours, so today we end in the next 14 hours. So if that happens within the next 14 hours, I'll be losing this account. It's as simple as that. So those are the two simple rules you need to know about breakout profit. They don't have any other rule at all. There's nothing like you must use take profit or stop loss. There's nothing like consistency rule. They don't say no to news trading. So if you're the kind of person that you trade the news, you can also do that on breakout. So you have the free will to do any form of trading, any form of trading style on breakout. These are the only rules you need to know about. So for those of you asking me whether they have maybe any hidden rules or maybe rules that are not open to the public, no, there's nothing like that on breakout profit. Now let me go ahead and show you the different account sizes that you can get. So the first thing, if you want to get an account size, use the first link in the description below so that I can get the maximum discount available on breakout. Now once you click the link in the description below or the link in the pinned comments below, just scroll down to where you have the different account sizes. So you can see where it says choose your account size. This is where you have the different options. You have from 5K, 10K, 25K up to 200K. Now let's assume you want to get a 100K account. So you click on it right here. Now for every account you want to get, they have 3 different options. Take note of that. Now there's the classic option, there is the pro option, and there is the turbo option. They are all different. Please take note. Now the first thing you need to take note of between these 3 different accounts is that the classic option is the most expensive one, while the turbo option is the cheapest one right there. The pro one is just in the middle. And on the other side, if you come back to the classic option, it is the account with the most favorable conditions for you to trade with. So you can see right here, the maximum drawdown is 6%. So it means that they are giving you the chance to even lose up to 6% of your capital. Anything more than that, you lose your account. But for the turbo option, which is the cheapest one, the maximum drawdown is 3%, which means that the maximum you can lose is 3% of your capital. Anything more than that, you lose the account. So you can see that this one still gives you the chance to lose double of that, which is 6%. While the pro option is the one in the middle, the maximum drawdown is 5% right there. Now for the daily loss limit, it is 3% across the 3 different accounts, like I said earlier. So you just need to take note of which one is better for you. So if you're the kind of person that you're looking at the money you have at hand, then I would advise you go for the turbo option, which is the cheapest. But if you're the kind of person that you have the money and you want to go with the one with the best or the most favorable conditions for you to trade, then just go for the classic option. But if you're the kind of person that you're just in the middle of both, then just go for the pro option. So it is the same thing for the 50K account. So you can see they have 3 different accounts. For the 25K account too, you have 3 different options. For the 10K account, the same thing. For the 5K account, the same thing. Now, don't forget that I said I'll be doing a giveaway where I'll be giving out 2 25K accounts and 2 50K accounts in this video. I'll still get into that. But before I go into that, I want to mention that these account sizes, their prices have been reduced by Breakout. So for example, for the 100K account, this one-step turbo was previously $450, but they have reduced the price to $330. And for this one-step classic, it was previously above $900, and right now they are giving it out for $800. And by the way, I'll still show you how you can even get more discounts from these prices. That is, these prices they've reduced, you can still get more discounts on these prices. Just stay with me. And it is the same for whether you are getting 50K account, 25K account, up to 5K account. Now, if you want to get additional discount on these prices, what you need to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video. Once you use that link, it will show you the discount amount you'll be getting on these prices right here, which is the maximum discount you can get on Breakout right now. So go ahead and use the link in the description below. Like I said, I also put the link in the pinned comment of this video. So with that being said, let's go straight to the giveaway. Now for this giveaway, like I said, I'll be giving out 2 25K accounts and 2 50K accounts to 4 different people. Now for you to win this giveaway, it is very, very simple. All you just need to do is to use my referral link in the description below to get either a 25K account, a 50K account, 100K account, or 200K account. Now, once you get any of these accounts from 25K to 200K, that means that you have the chance to win this giveaway. And please note that the higher the account size you get, the higher the chances of you getting this giveaway or winning this giveaway. And right here on the screen, you can see that if you are getting a 25K account with the referral link, you have 1 entry into the giveaway. If you are getting a 50K 50K account, you have 3 different entries into the giveaway. And if you are getting 100K or 200K account, you have 10 entries into the giveaway. So it means that the higher the account size you get, the higher your chance of winning this giveaway. It is as simple as that. Now, this giveaway will be ending on the 17th of July, which means that you only have about 3 to 4 days to actually enter this giveaway. And the winner will be announced on my Telegram channel on the 18th of July, which is the next day. So please take action right now. Click the link in the description below. Get an account size with just 25K account, 50K, 100K, or 200K. You can see right here for a 25K account, you can get it for as low as $95, which is lower than $100. For a 50K account, you can get it for as low as $180. For a 100K account, you can get it for as low as $330. No Profem account will give you a 100K account for $330. Trust me. And then for 200K account, you can get it for as low as $660 right there. So go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you have a chance to win either a 25K account or a 50K account. And don't forget, the 4 winners will be announced on my Telegram channel on the 18th of July. So that's for the giveaway. Now, the next thing I want to show you is if you come here to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard once you get an account from Breakout. Now, once you get here to this your dashboard, a lot of you have been asking me that, how do you go ahead to trade? Now, if you want to go ahead and take your trades, what you just need to do is to come here to where you have Open Terminal. Now, if you click on Open Terminal, it will ask you for your login details. Now, these are your login details right here. So your wallet's name is like your username, while your wallet ID is like your password. So these are the login details you need right here. But I will obviously be covering them so that you don't see them right there. But you will see your own on your dashboard. So I'll just come right here and click on Open Terminal. So you can see right here on the screen, it did not ask me to put in my login details, and that's because I already logged in before. So that means that once you log in once, anytime you go to your terminal, you don't need to log in. It will just bring you directly to the trading page. And this is the page where you can directly go ahead and take your trades. Now, I don't want to go into the full details or the tutorial on how to use the trading terminal or how to carry out your trades because I already have a video on that. So please, if you need that video, I'll put it in the description below. I'll put it in the pinned comment too. You can check it out right there. So that's everything I have for you guys in this video. If you have any question about the Breakout Profem I have not answered in this video, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be replying to all your comments. And don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you use the link in the description below to get the account. And don't forget, the giveaway will be ending on the 17th of July and the winners will be announced on my Telegram channel on the 18th of July. And please, if you need help with getting an account or setting up your account on Breakout through my referral link, just go ahead and join my Telegram channel and reach out to me on Telegram. I will definitely help you out. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.